Okay, I'm looking at Naples' scheme of work. It contains relevant information, so it's got contents, the amount of sessions, which are 2, the learning objectives, both teacher and student activities, which are in different sections, the resources, the skills focus, and the assessments. And it's relatively easy to understand, and it's pretty clear as well. The assessments matches the objectives, and as we go through each week, you can see a sign of progression as she tends to recap. So in each lesson, she may go over quickly what she did in the previous lesson and then go on from there. So that's really good and it's useful for the students. And she's also got a variety of resources as well. So, for example, she's got PowerPoints, theory, whiteboards, and even the students' own devices. So I'm guessing like their own iPads and things like that. However, I did notice that there were a few things sort of not wrong, but could be improved. So, for example, the activities, both the student and teacher, I thought that they could be a bit longer, they could be a bit more detailed. So, for example, she's got a teacher activity, about a third presentation or 2/3 setting tasks, asking questions. So perhaps know what kind of question or the questions will be asked them. And also, in terms of the objectives as well, for example, in the first week, I guess the objectives are okay within the session because she only had one session within the first week. But then as the weeks go on, I thought that some of the objectives might not be enough for both sessions. So that's one of them. It's one of the sessions is supposed to be around 2 hours, and the other one's around 1 hours or so. And so the objectives kind of felt they want too much content for both sessions. So I thought, yeah, there might need to be a bit more things put in there. But apart from that, it's very good. A lot of different things that she's covering and the aims. She's made it very, very clear what they were doing exactly for each session. And rationale as well was very, very good. She covered a lot of different theorists such as Bruner, Cofield, Honey and Mumford, Gardner. And she made appropriate use of applying these theorists into her own scheme of work. And again, with the essay as well, it was very, very detailed. Probably a little bit too detailed. But again, she covered every aspect of both schemes of work. She used, for example, the types of assessment strategies, she covered on that. She looked at the diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment. She looked at planning as well, the development of like generic, subject-specific. And the evaluation. She looked at the evaluation methods. So it was also very, very good. Yes, but perhaps also she could have ended it with having an actual evaluation. So that's something to think about next time.